Hello guys, today we'll be talking about computer science degree. Is it worth or not? So basically, we'll be talking about what are the pros and cons of going to college and having a computer science degree. Uh, we are not discussing whether to do it or not. We are just discussing about what are the advantages and disadvantages of having a computer science degree. I myself is a postgraduated degree holder of computer science. So I just wanted to share what was my view about this computer science. So talking about a introduction about a computer science degree, we are having B in computer science, then B in information technologies, computer engineering, then software engineering, and there are many other fields which is related to the computer science degree. And so so in this 2020, what uh, should go get should not get in this computer science degree, we'll be talking about it. So what are the pros about the computer science degree is that just getting into a college and having a science degree still matters to many people. Okay, so you'll be getting a more respect in society and will be having a higher chance of getting hired for a job, especially in MNC. So basically in the MNC they are looking for a college degree, and even the percentage they'll be looking into. So basically the criteria is around 60%. You should have all semester you should have 60%. That's what the criteria is. But some company also take for 50%. Also. So it depends on a company which MNC you are trying to apply. That's the advantage. And then next of going to college and having a computer science degree is that you'll be meeting lots of like-minded people that will help you to grow in your career. Okay, college is a great place to make a good friends for life. So you will be getting amazing friends in the college. Okay, they will help you with your studies and also discussing your ideas, and in someday with your friends you can build up a startup and you can create a company also. So that's where you will be getting a friends and you'll be creating a good friends for life while having a degree. So this point is not basically for computer science degree only, but this is in general for any degree. Okay, so and they will be teaching you so expertise in their field. So each one will have expertise in one field and they'll be sharing their knowledge. And I always tell everyone, so always help other people. Suppose today if you're not helping anyone, the problem will be solved with some time. But it's better you help your friend to solve the problem. Okay, always remember, try to help everyone. Then going to college, your theory concept, mostly theory, I would say like around 70% of your theory concept will be clear. Okay, practical, I don't think that much knowledge you'll be getting in a degree, computer science degree, but theory concept will be clear. So, so you'll be having wide range of subjects like I'll say object oriented programming. Then this will make clear of some data types in the computer science. If I'm talking, what are the data types, basic data types, so what is array, what is uh, object, and then pointers, call by reference, call by value, this kind of concept, the theory concept will be cleared in this degree. That's the point of having good point of having a computer science degree. Uh, then we'll be talking about a disadvantage. Okay, so disadvantage, so the cons of having a computer science degree is that you won't be prepared for the real world jobs. Okay, so computer science degree is not a job training. Okay, although it will be prepare you with a shallow knowledge. Okay, won't be prepare you for the real time, real world jobs. So employer want experience and expertise, and college can't give you this expertise and experience. So they will be clearing your concept. They won't be giving you experience, practical experience. How in the computer science and the points like how API is working, how Node.js is working, what are the concept like non what is non-blocking IO, and all the concept like how these servers are working, how this API is working, how the front end is working. So we have front end concept and then back end things, how these are working. This you will be getting from the experience. What is JSON type and all those things you will be getting after experience. So at least you need to have at least 2 years of experience. And I always prefer to have these 2 years of experience in startup, because in the startup they will be putting you on the front end for 6 months, then front end, after front end they'll be putting you on the back end for 6 months, and then for 6 months you will be working on database. By this you will be learning all the things. Okay, and then you can, after 2 years you can make a specialization in one field only, but you will be having the good knowledge about backend, front end, database, and all those things. Okay, so next is the next con cost. Okay, so college can waste your time and money. Okay, by teaching you outdated subjects in their schedule. So basically, for a PE degree in a computer science, it will take around 4 years to complete, and for post graduation, it will be taking you 2 years. So basically, it will be around 6 years. So you will be wasting your time and money. Okay, so these things you can learn from going through the video tutorials and on those things. But what I feel uh, is that having a degree is worth, because it you can show it uh, number of times, but it will be taken in consider only when you are starting a job. After that all the companies will be asking you for the experience, they won't be looking at your degrees. Okay, so first 5 years they will be looking at your degree. After that they will be looking at your experience, what kind of experience you are having. So that's what I feel from this point. And the technology is changing very fast in this 21st century. So basically it is also impossible for the universities and colleges to change the syllabus frequently. So that's not possible with the colleges. Okay, so we can't blame colleges also for not having an outdated syllabus. But yeah, that's it. And also let me know what are the other pros and cons of going college and what you feel about this, and is it worth having a computer science degree in 2020. So let me know in the comment sections. Okay, yeah, thank you.